from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes S Class here. It's quite a classic one and it's a brilliant car. But this one here is a 96, it's an S-Reg, 96-97, and this model goes in from 1993 to 1999. What we're doing is we're replacing the brake light on this one. It is a very easy job, anyone can do it, and the bulb you need is the 380 bulb, which can be found in the description and at the end of the video as well. But I'll show you which one it is first. Can you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see, that one there is working, this one here is working, but the one on this side isn't working. I'm going to show you how it's done. Now just take the car off the brake. This is quite cool, it's quite spacious. So what we're doing, we need to remove this cover here. Usually you would have a grommet here, but this one hasn't got it. Maybe you don't, I don't know, because it's my first time I'm working on this. So I remove this. Now you've got the bulb holders. So you basically got a lot of bulbs around here. So if you wanted to replace anything else like the reverse light, indicator, tail light, you know, it's all in one place. The other side is the same as well. Now if you ever wanted to replace this bit here, the whole light thing unit, you've got screws 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 3, 4, and then and 5, and let's just see if there's any more, and 6. So the whole thing comes out and it's a 10mm nut. Now what we're doing is we're doing this bulb right here. It's a bulb holder. So if I hold the bulb, twist it to my right, okay, this is a bit tight, that's it, and then take the whole thing out. So basically this is what we're replacing. Now the bulb you need, like I said, it's a 380 bulb. It's a double filament bulb, which can be found in the description if you did want one. Got the bulb in my pocket, get it out. Like I said, you know, the old Mercedes, all of them pretty much, oh, this one here, the terminal is a bit rusty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if it's working without cleaning it. But if it isn't working, I'll still clean it, but I'm just going to show you how to fit it first. So, and put a bit of maintenance around it as well, maintenance spray. So what I now do is I'll slot the bulb in, locate how it should slot in first. Nope. So, because I can't force it. Now that's it, that's how it is. And then I turn it to my right. That's all done. So turn it to your left, turn it to your right. So that's all it is. Now what we're going to do is check the brakes, press the brakes. That's it, that's lovely now. That's all working, so I'm going to put everything back together. But if there is anything you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Mercedes as well. Do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.